but I was taught to put my losses in the lesson.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, your girl LaTHRIFTY Simone, and I am back with another wig review. If you are a new person to my channel, thank you for coming. You are now a part of my Glitter Baby community. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss when I post a video. Go ahead and turn that bell on so that you can stay up to date with my latest videos. And so now the reason why you all clicked on that thumbnail is to see what wig I am wearing. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the wig I am wearing today is by a hair company called Bella. It is a synthetic unit and the unit is called Nevada. Now I looked for different reviews on this wig and I saw nothing. So I was like, nah, go ahead, let me give it a try. Got it from my local beauty supply store. Wasn't expensive at all. I think it was like $40 maybe. And when I say not expensive, I say not as expensive as other wigs that were in my local beauty supply store. I have been waiting on a unit to come in, but it has not came in yet. I thought it was going to be here before I left, but it wasn't. So I ran to my local beauty supply store, picked up this wig. Didn't take me long because I could just tell by looking at it that it was pretty good hair quality and that it was gonna last because it's like wavy. I have combed some of the waves out because it's like a mixture of like wavy and like a loose spiral. I have since combed those out. This is all the hair to the front. Now, when I tell you this wig is so lightweight, and I think I mentioned that in one of my other clips, this wig is very lightweight, so do not let the looks fool you. I was very surprised how lightweight this wig was. Worry about putting baby hairs on the side because my initial plan is to wear it down. So I didn't have to do anything to it, and I didn't even have to cut it. Like, I didn't have to cut it. This wig is like, it's perfectly styled. And I was really surprised that I didn't see any wig reviews on this wig, but I was like, maybe I'll be the first one to try them. Now, when I was looking up different things on the internet about this wig, I did see this wig that you could purchase it at the NY Hair Mall online. And online it was $41. Not sure exactly what shipping is, so if you want to head over to the NY Hair Mall and check this wig out, I will leave that link down below where you can purchase your own. Like I said, this wig is called Nevada. This hair is in a number 1. I was looking for a 1B, but they didn't have any more left, so I just got the number 1. So if you head over to the NY Hair Mall, I'm sure that they will be able to show you exactly what colors this wig comes in. This wig did come with adjustable straps. It did come with the usual combs. The cap is very breezy, and I think I mentioned that as well. This cap is like really breezy, and this hair is giving me like, if this hair was a blondish color, this is giving me like that long Beyonce vibe. And it's definitely not hot. You know, I love wearing long wigs. It's fall, you know, and coming into fall. And so I do still like to wear my long hair, but I want to be cool, you know, so I don't want to be hot. So I feel like this wig is perfect. And there's really not much I can say about this wig. I'm gonna insert some clips. I actually just put this wig on yesterday, so I haven't worn it out, but I'm wearing it all weekend. So I'm gonna insert some clips just so that y'all can see for yourself how the wig held up over the weekend. If you have any questions about this hair, just drop those down below. This video is not going to be long at all because I really don't have anything negative to say about this hair. Like, even putting it on and having combed some of the curls out, like, it's giving me like no napation. Okay, napation. It's giving me no knots. Like, it's not knotting up at the nape area. It's not. I like this one. I feel like this one is gonna last a long time. I feel like we're gonna go someplace with this one. But I will be dropping some clips down. I will be dropping some clips throughout this video. So yeah, let me stop ranting and raving. Y'all, let's see some more clips. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go to bed and I'm going to put my headscarf on, but I wanted to come and show you all, which the lighting should be better, but it's not. But this wig, like I said, it has lasted. Now I've done literally nothing to this hair all day long because I have been on the road. But this hair does a lot of webbing, and that's not really a word used for in the weave world, but I'm gonna use it. It does a lot of webbing, and when I say that, I mean that it sticks together, basically. Okay, so this is my last review of this hair. I've had this hair on since Thursday, and today is Monday. And I slept with a cap on my hair every single night except for last night. So my review still stands the same. I do like this hair. I don't feel like it'll be a waste of money, especially if you if you change your wig. So if you switch your wigs up, I feel like this wig will definitely last a long time. And as I was trying to show you all in the previous video, the webbing situation is just when the hair kind of sticks together and kind of forms like little things that look like spider webs to me, and you just have to pull them apart. But the hair is pretty easy to pull apart. I put mousse in my hair, and I put leave-in conditioner to kind of bring the waves back a little bit, because like I said yesterday, I didn't do anything to it at all day. But yeah, I definitely think this hair is worth the money. I will be leaving the link to the NY Hair Mall down below so that you can purchase yours, and it's a wrap. So until then, I'll see you in my next video. Deuces. Thanks for watching.